Building a course that includes templates and swipe files is a great way to provide immense value to your audience. And today I'm going to walk you through how to do exactly that in under 3 minutes. If you've ever thought about how to add real actionable resources like templates and swipe files to your course, this video is for you. Stick around, because by the end of it, you'll know how to create a course that not only teaches, but gives your students the tools they can immediately use. Let's jump into it. First, when you're building your course, make sure you have a clear structure. Your course should have a logical flow, but the key is to integrate those templates and swipe files at the right points. For example, if you're teaching a content creation course, your template could be a ready-made content calendar. Make sure the course content explains how to use these resources effectively and that they tie into your main lessons. Next, let's talk about how to create the templates and swipe files. Start by identifying the core tasks your students will need to perform in your course. These are the tasks that can benefit from a structured template. Then, create the template based on that task. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Keep it simple and customizable, so your students can make adjustments for their specific needs. For example, a swipe file could be a list of email templates that your students can adapt to their own businesses. Now here's the important part. After creating these templates, organize them in a way that's easy for your students to access. You don't want your students digging through endless files or dealing with complicated download links. That's why using software that lets you package and present these resources in an organized manner is key. I've tried a few popular options, and I'll be using our software for this tutorial. It's easy to integrate templates and swipe files into your course and deliver them in a way that's user-friendly. With the right software, you can upload all your resources in one place. That's right, your templates, your swipe files, and any other materials can be delivered directly to your students. You can also use this software to automate follow-up emails or notifications, keeping your students engaged and ensuring they know when new resources or templates are available. Now, if you want to follow along with exactly what I'm doing here, I've included an exclusive free trial of our software in the description below, available only to viewers of my channel. You can dive into the exact tools I'm using and start building your course right away. Key takeaway: when building a course with templates and swipe files, remember that simplicity and accessibility are crucial. The more organized and easy to use your resources are, the better your students will be able to implement them. Start by structuring your course, then create templates based on the core tasks your students need to do. Make sure everything is easy to access and use, and leverage software to make the delivery seamless. To recap, structure your course logically, create templates that are easy to use and customize, and choose software that simplifies the process of delivering these resources. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to start building your course today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.